Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync WhatsApp contacts on your iPhone. Now, if you're in the WhatsApp app, there are two different ways to be able to do this. One is in the app and one is outside of the app. So in the app, you can see I'm on chats here, so tap on chats. And then at the very top right, tap on that little plus icon. You'll be able to see all of your contacts are already in here if there are any, and you can see at the top is new contacts. I can tap on that, and this allows me to enter in a first name, a last name, a phone number, and it says sync contact to phone. So after you enter all this in and you turn this on, essentially this will allow you to add a contact directly in WhatsApp and then sync it up to the contacts on your phone. However, let's say instead of manually adding a contact, you wanted just to sync up all of your existing contacts into the WhatsApp app. You can easily do that as well. Let's hop out of here, and instead of the WhatsApp app, we're going to open up your settings. So tap on settings here. And the first thing we're going to do is scroll down to screen time and then scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. If this is turned on, contacts on here could potentially be set to don't allow. So just turn this off or make sure contacts is set to allow. After we've done that, we can go back out of the screen time, and then we're going to go down to the bottom and tap on apps at the bottom. And now from here, all we need to do is scroll down until we find WhatsApp at the very bottom. Tap on that. Now you can see at the top is contacts. It's currently set to none. All I need to do is give it full access to all of my contacts and hit the allow full access. After I've done that, I'll show you that it works. I can tap on this WhatsApp app, tap on the plus here, and I'll be able to see contacts on WhatsApp, and they should all be synced up in your WhatsApp app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.